show you how you will have your children in centers and also looking for the letters of their name, just like we just did earlier. And also, I want to address that I wasn't teaching the dolls. So the activity, the circle time I've been having for the past 3 sessions, the infant, the toddlers, and the preschoolers that we just did today, I was basically demonstrating how a classroom teacher will have the children sitting down on the carpet, and then how you're gonna educate the children in your classroom. So that was the purpose of the activity. So the dolls were just there for demonstration purposes, also to have those dolls there, just in case if I need them, so I can show the teachers how to conduct a circle time. So again, I want to make sure that I address that. So again, as a preschool teacher, you want to make sure that you are conducting circle time every day, and then you educate the children based on the circle time. You have an open-ended questions. You can ask them and having fun with them, read the book with them, go over the classroom rules, and it's so important that we're doing that because we want to make sure that we are increasing the children language skills, also conversation, vocabulary. So it's so important that we're doing that. So today, this activity is about the two dolls that I had on my circle time today. We're gonna be looking for the letters of their name. That's the same thing you would do with your regular children in your classroom. You ask them to come to the table with you in small group. They are going to find the letters in their name for you based on all the letters mixed together like that. They come to identify the letters. Again, we try to teach them to identify the first letter of their name or the full letter if you have all the alphabet. So I just noticed that I don't have all of them. So we're going to find the very first letter of their name, and then we're going to put them aside. So again, on during my circle time, I had Bella. So I'm going to look for the letter B from my letters that I have here. Letter B, Bella will be at the table with me. I would just say, can you find letter B? And then she's gonna go look for letter B, and I'm gonna put B over here. That's B for Bella. And I had Noah. I'm gonna say B. Bella B. So it's over here. And I had the doll named Noah. So I'm gonna have N for Noah. So we're gonna find the letters of Noah's name. N. So we're gonna put it over here. And I said my name is Gigi. As you can see, I'm still wearing my tag. Gigi. So I'm gonna look for the G. So I have G here, and again G G. So I just have the letter that I need to find. I don't think I have all of the letters for them to create, but I'm gonna search anyways just in case because the next letter will be E in Bella's name. And if I can find some of them, I'm gonna say, "What else? What other letter do you have in your name?" And then I can help her get all the letters. Also, Noah, I can say, "What other letter do you have in your name?" Noah, I can say, "Oh, I might have Noah's name, but Bella is kind of difficult because she needs two L. I don't have two L, so I'm gonna say, what's the next letter, Noah? Noah gonna say O A, and then the next one will be H. So I'm gonna say, okay, I found H, and Noah's gonna help me spell his name. Mine is different also because I need double letters, so I'm gonna see if I have some that I can start with the letters. So I have Gigi, so this is GI, and I need to find another G. I don't have another I. So again, it's a few missing letters. So again, this is why I just said let's do the beginning of the first name so that way you can help them identify the letters. But Noah is fine because Noah find his letters. Mine are missing because I need two I, and Bella needs two L. She needs A. Noah's borrowing the A. So this is kind of like missing letters. So we're gonna say just the first letter for Noah. Well, first letter for Bella, first letter or full name for Noah, and then we're gonna say my first name, the first letter of my first name, which is G. Okay, so that's all you want to do with them. Sit down with them, teach them letters. If you want to build other words, make sure you have two sets because sometimes you need to have more than one letter for them to build something for you. Okay, so I will see you in the next video, friends. Don't forget to subscribe when you view the video, and also like the video if you like anything that we are sharing with you. Bye for now.